Question number 1. The Finance Commission is constituted under Article Dress of the Constitution of India. Correct answer is option B. Who built the Taj Mahal? Correct answer is option A. Bleaching powder is used in drinking water as a and correct answer is option B. The pH of lemon juice is expected to be correct answer is option D. Washing soda is also known as correct answer is option C. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Correct answer is option D. Which disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Correct answer is option B. Which metal is used for generation of nuclear power? Correct answer is option B. Which article is related to the special status of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer is option A. Which state has the largest waste land area? Correct answer is option C. Who has been called Napoleon of India? Correct answer is option A. Which day is celebrated as World Environment Day? Correct answer is option A. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? Correct answer is option C. Who appoints the chairman of UPSC? Correct answer is option B. Who pioneered Khilafat movement? Correct answer is option C. First general elections were held in which year? Correct answer is option D. Gobar gas contains mainly. Correct answer is option A. Which gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Correct answer is option A. In which state was the Panchayati Raj first introduced? Correct answer is option B. Which among the following country is the leading producer of uranium? Correct answer is option B. Arya Samaj was founded by. Correct answer is option A. Which state has smallest land area? Correct answer is option C. Which Governor General was associated with doctrine of lapse? Correct answer is option A. Who is called father of economics? Correct answer is option C. Which element is the highest conductor of electricity? Correct answer is option D. Who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option A. Which state has the largest coastline in India? Correct answer is option B. Who written the book India of My Dreams? Correct answer is option C. World's largest desert? Correct answer is option B. What is the maximum gap between two sessions of a parliament? Correct answer is option C. In which year Bengal was reunited? Correct answer is option B. Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize? Correct answer is option A. The upper house of Indian Parliament is known as. Correct answer is option A. Fifth President of India who died while in office. Correct answer is option A. The longest corridor in India. Correct answer is option A. Who won the Nobel Prize for Peace in the year 2014? Correct answer is option A. Father of Indian space program? Correct answer is option C. Study of insects is known as. Correct answer is option C. Instrument is used to measure heat. Correct answer is option D. Silicon City of India. Correct answer is option A. The study of sound waves. Correct answer is option C. Instrument used for recording origin of intensity of earthquakes. Correct answer is option C. United Nations Organization headquarters is at. Correct answer is option C. Capital city of Sri Lanka. Correct answer is option C. Number of international airports in India. Correct answer is option C. Southern Railway is headquartered at. Correct answer is option C. First ministerial meeting of World Trade Organization (WTO) took place at. Correct answer is option D. The highest producer of milk in the world is. Correct answer is option C. Lord Buddha was born in. Correct answer is option C. The founder of the first Afghan rule in India was. Correct answer is option D.